While placing the concrete, care should be taken to see that it is not segregated, passes through the space between the reinforcement, and fills the forms completely. This module shows placing of concrete. The stability of the formwork is one of the important aspects to be checked before placing the concrete. Any gaps between the shutter plates are to be sealed and cover blocks properly placed. The concrete should be laid continuously to prevent formation of cold joints and irregular surfaces. The concrete shall be placed against the preceding layers while casting the slab. The height of fall while placing concrete shall not be more than 1 meter. Chutes should be used for heights more than 1 meter. Proper care shall have to be taken to ensure that the concrete passes through the congested reinforcement in beams and beam column junctions. Concrete may segregate due to the obstruction by stirrups while depositing in columns. It shall be ensured that there is no major obstruction to the flow of concrete. Concrete from pans is to be slowly put in place. Throwing concrete from the pan from a shoulder height causes segregation. It should not be deposited in front of the vibrator as it moves the concrete away. The concrete should be placed within 30 to 45 minutes from the time it is discharged from the mixer. Any movement of people should not be allowed till concrete gets stiffened. Care should be taken before placing concrete. Formwork should be stable. Gaps, if any, should be sealed. Ensure that cover blocks are placed between reinforcement and formwork. Ensure continuous pour of concrete to avoid cold joints. Ensure concrete is not dropped from a height of more than 1 meter and fills the forms.